11th November 2025, our next destination is Lepchajagat Hanging Bridge. So this is the second time we are visiting Lepchajagat and this one is really wow. Darjeeling. This is Lepchajagat Eco Forest, Pine Forest. When 2021 we came here, it was not there, but right now it is here. There is a hanging bridge. So this is Lepchajagat and we have the hanging bridge, small one, 20 rupees fee. This is the Lepchajagat hanging bridge and it's 2% at a time and prohibited 2% above 50 years. We cannot say about anything. Anyway, first my father is going. He wants to. Let it be like that. Let's go. Here, this is a hanging bridge and he's going there. He's almost running. I don't know who will take my picture and video. Maybe I have to take the selfie in that case. Ow. This is a bridge. If it's overweight, it will swing. You can see how it is swing. So I told him that once she's out of the bridge, then I will proceed. Otherwise, it's overweight. That is Lepchajagat Pine Forest. So this is a bridge and it's hanging. It's fun actually. If you go faster, then it will swing a lot. Easy. So this is done, the hanging bridge, Lepchajagat. It's nice, better than before when I came here 2021. It was not like that and you don't need stick in here. Much better. Now comes the shaky video. This is what my father took. I saw, so I thought to add it because I am here in this video. Even this was a surprise to me that my father managed to capture this video when I was crossing this hanging bridge and the vlogging I was doing. It's time to say goodbye to Lepchajagat and we have a really good memory. And what else? We had that Pahad Wali Maggie because it's almost a lunchtime and after that we went to Pahalgaon. Surprised? There is a place in Darjeeling that is called Pahalgaon of Darjeeling. It is like Kashmir, not exactly same to same, but you have to stay tuned for the next video and you will see that Pahalgaon of Darjeeling. Till then, I am enjoying this Pahad Wali Maggie and stay tuned to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. And people ask me that why I don't have much picture with my mother because she was not feeling well and she doesn't go to this camp and hiking. That's why we don't have.